Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got my boy behind the camera, Hussein. We plan to roll the shell out today to give it a jet wash, see what we're working with in terms of rust. We also plan to strip the interior, so seats out, carpets out, maybe the dashboard, we'll see. What do you think, Hussein?
I think we'll be able to do that.
Cool. Just so we can see what we're working with in terms of rust, give the interior a deep clean. It's in really good condition actually for its age, and maybe if we get enough time to take off the bumpers, the side skirts, again just to see what we're working with. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Come on, come on, don't tickle it. Alright guys, so the car's been washed, hosed down, we foamed it and degreased the engine bay. Overall actually, I'm quite surprised with it. For a car that's about, I don't know, 34 years old, it's not bad. It has had a blowover in the past, so it's not been a great job. So I think, depending on how we get on with removing the trims, the side skirts, probably will benefit from a full respray. So anyway, so we brought it back in. The plan now is to take the interior out, remove the front seats, the rear bench, probably the rear parcel, and if we've got time today, the carpet. One more thing, Hussein very kindly brought over an engine stand for us. So this is gonna basically hold up the engine while we work on it. That's gonna be a full strip down. Let's get into it. Guys, halfway through hoovering and we're going to now take the steering wheel off. Hussein's at the task.
Alright, so we're just going to take the steering wheel out now. It's a 22mm. I've already loosened it with a breaker bar.
Alright guys, so this is a wrap for today. Quick summary: we've jet washed the car, we've degreased the engine bay, we've rolled the shell back in, taken the interior off, actually really good condition. We've also taken the steering wheel off. We plan to take the dashboard off today, but time's a bit short. One thing we've managed to do, really important actually, is to peel the carpet back on the driver's side. which has exposed very common but a little bit of rust that that will also get sorted out when the car gets sent off. So that's a wrap for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. Any questions, queries, comments down below. Otherwise, make sure you tune into HJ's Garage as well as that.bmw. We'll be uploading content almost simultaneously. So that's a wrap.